NCPCR has taken cognizance of the Tamil Nadu urine shocker. NCPCR chairperson Shanta Sinha spoke to Headlines today and said that the school management should be warned strictly in this case. The rights body has said that the suspension of the teachers in this case is only symbolic. There needs to be a serious probe into this case. The probe should also be about whether other children have faced similar horror. Remember, from down south, we brought you the story of yet another child who was forced to drink urine because he was asking for a break from the class to go to the washroom. Cases really of repeated injustice and inhuman behavior against school students have been on the rise, and the latest victim is a 14-year-old boy who was brutally thrashed and forced to drink his own urine by 3 teachers. Even though the teachers were suspended, the clamor against the symbolic suspension is now rising. The incident comes close in the heels of the Vishwa Bharati incident in West Bengal, where a girl was forced to lick urine as a punishment for bedwetting, and now this 9th standard boy was punished for asking for permission to go to the loo. Priyamvada now joins us with more details on that incident. Priyamvada, what is the family saying about the child, and whether the child has indicated to them as to other children having met with something of the sort?
Well, the child hasn't spoken about the other children, but the child is very clearly, he has given a reaction saying that his teachers indeed forced him to drink the urine, and when he resisted the idea of drinking the urine, he was beaten up. This is the version of the child, and also we do not have any information about how other children were being treated, whether they've also undergone a similar situation. But of course, the Chief Educational Officer of Tamil Nadu and the school authorities are indeed trying to downplay the entire situation. The initial investigation and the reports are indicating that the boy was beaten because he was allegedly in possession of drugs and he was not forced to drink the urine. That is what at least the authorities claim, but the child who is admitted in the hospital continues to maintain that he was forcefully asked to take the urine. Definitely a thorough probe will alone throw more light, but definitely the bruise mark on the child shows that he was beaten. This itself is a monstrous act by the teachers, considering the fact that the child rights, the right to child education, the child education rights very clearly point out that children should not be treated in this way. So this itself is grounds enough for the arrest or any other criminal action against these teachers.
Priyamvada, many thanks for joining us with all those details.